Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a short video just to give us a quick update on what we have going on with AI marketing ever since the restart on 16th of August, right? Now you can see the account I have before me is in my account, okay? If I should open up my account, you see that the display will be quite different. Now in my own account, you see what you see here on the left isn't there at all. It's just the way it used to be. I could show you. Let me just quickly go in and then I'll show you. Okay. Yes. Okay. Let me log in. One minute, please. Okay. So what's going on? Right. So now this is my account. You see that my statistics, everything is just the same. It's still the same. The other day when I did my top up, I did a video, the top up of $10. It came up here and this read 180. Now that $10 has moved away. This is the same situation a whole lot of people are in. But the same way we are in this situation, some other people already have their robot working, and in their statistics, in their sales, they already have sales being made for the month of August. But here I am, my sales is still, the last one I made was the middle of July. That was the day that the issue happened. Okay. So then, what exactly is going on? Now, listen, the whole restart process, getting back process is huge with over 3 million members, right? Now, the first phase of this process is a restart of the robot itself to begin working on fresh accounts, fresh business. So those ones don't have any histories to deal with, okay? So for people who are signing up now, people who are topping up, are new, they have their robots working already. They already begin to they have sales already coming in. But for some of us, for people like me, who have been here for quite a while, there has to be a recalculation before the robot kicks off. So what is going to happen is that all of this money will come down here. All the statistics, if you go to my statistics, you will see what I mean. So whatever is spent will be taken off from the advertising budget, and the balance will be put here as unspent. The cashback would also be put here, okay, and then all other details. And then just like you can see in the account I just logged out from, you see that there is a protect funds. Let me just do that so I can show you the protect funds thing. Okay, so good. Good. So when you look at this account, you see that the display I was talking about is already being done on this account. Okay, and that display is all the statistics, all the data is already put down below. And then what this means is that this account is about to go into restart. Once they are done with whatever needs to be done with all of this account will be able to kick off again with whatever it has as unspent, which is 101 here. And then fresh top up can easily go into advertising budget to add to this unspent. While the cash back, the money he made already, will be paid by the protect funds account, okay, in due time. So that's what is happening for those people who are already making $10 top ups. You can see my account also. My $10 isn't showing in there. But if you go into your history, if you go into your top up history, you see whatever top up it is you made recently there, which means everything is fine. But once they get to your own account, okay, once they get to your own account, you see this display, and that tells you that, okay, work is about to begin. All right, so my advice is that we should all just be patient, okay? Patience, please. So as for that, I think that will be all for this video. Okay. The relaunch is going on in batches, but it's going on in phases. Phase one is starting off new advertising campaigns. Phase two is creating advertising campaigns for past advertising budget. So for those of us who have been here for a while, some of us do not have our accounts starting up yet. That's because we still have past records which they have to deal with and then sort out. Okay. So patience is all that we need. Congrats to those who are already, having sales from their robot. Good one, a good one. And then for those of us who are yet to have, whose accounts are still like stagnant, let's just be patient. Okay. Thank you, and then I'll see you in the next video. Bye.